day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. The story for today is called the Mango Grove Mystery. A lush mango grove near a village in Madhya Pradesh at the edge of dense forest. It was the peak of summer in Madhya Pradesh. The mango trees in the grove near the forest were heavy with fruit, their sweet fragrance drifting into the nearby village. Children from the village often sneaked in to collect fallen mangoes. But they were warned never to go deep into the grove, for it bordered the great jungle of Kanha. Among the animals of the jungle, the mango grove was also famous. Birds swooped down to peck at the ripe fruit. Langurs carried mangoes high into the trees, and even the elephants strolled in to enjoy the feast. Soon a mystery arose. Every night, dozens of mangoes vanished, far more than even the hungriest animals could eat. Sheru the tiger, who patrolled the area, was puzzled. Who could be stealing so many mangoes? It's not the monkeys, for they are loud. It's not the elephants, for they leave footprints. This thief is clever and quiet. One evening, Tara, the wise old owl, decided to stay awake longer than usual. For her branch high above, she spotted something unusual. A group of porcupines led by their leader Kallu were rolling mangoes into piles and pushing them down street tunnels. They had dug into the earth. The next morning, Tara called a jungle meeting. Friends, the mystery thief is none other than Kallu and his porcupine. The animals gasped. Kallu looked nervous but stood tall. Yes, we took the mangoes, not out of greed, but to store them underground for dry months. The sun is harsh and the food becomes scarce for us then. Sheru growled, but you could have asked. Instead, you made others worry. Kallu lowered his quills. You're right. We should have spoken, but we feared the stronger animals would say no. The wise owl spoke gently. The jungle thrives in sharing. If everyone hides things in fear, trust will vanish in water like sand. The animals discussed, and soon a new idea formed. The porcupines would share their underground storage with small creatures during the dry months, and in return, the big animals would protect them. Mango Grove would no longer belong to one species. It would be shared by all. That year, when the summer ended and the rains delayed, the porcupine stored mangoes helped feed many hungry creatures. What began as a secret hoarding turned into a lesson of unity. As the monsoon finally arrived, the grove was filled not just with mangoes but also with laughter and friendship. Secrets create fear, but sharing builds trust. When they work together, even scarcity becomes abundance. We hope you like this little story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.